Hi, in this video I'll show how to use desktop application for formatting XML files. You can see I have on my screen, I have XML file. Let's right click, open with Notepad just to show you what is inside. And you can see it has like some XML data, but it's all into one line and it's hard to navigate and edit and see what is inside and see internal XML file structure. Also I can open it with XML Viewer. It's a free app. It shows what is inside XML file into table-like data. So basically, it will try to transform XML into table and present as a table. So it's easy to see what is inside, and I can export into different format. I will leave link on this XML Viewer application too under the video. So, but I will format this, use desktop application, and will format this XML file into normal and more easier to edit and understand format. In order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. To find application, I'll click on search and type XML to get all XML applications, and I need this one, top XML apps, and click on Xml Formatter and click on download to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on XML format and applications, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and minimize this. And double click, I can close this. Oh, okay, I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now formatting is 3 steps process. In first step, I will click on this button and open my one line XML state file, right? Just click open, click on next step, no conversion options here yet, click on next step. And on final third step, I can preview XML before saving it. You can see it's formatted in much more readable design. So there is a main tag and there is a subtags and records, and everything is more or less readable. I'll click on save result to save the formatted file, and it asks me for name and location, and I can do this file and just add formatted, and click save. And let's go and see file. So this is my formatted file. I can right click, open with Notepad, and you can see every record has specifically formatted with tab and indentation. So I can see that this is the main tag, this is the record tag, and this is a field tag, specific field tag. And we have all data from for all states. Also, I can double click on this and to open the same viewer just to make sure that data is, I opened twice. Yeah. So data is here, and yeah, basically that's it. Also, this application can be executed from command line. This is how to do it from command line. If you just copy this line and add to your batch file, or you can create batch file to convert all files inside the folder. You can do that, and it will not display any UI at all. It just will work as command line tool and transform file and do the job and exit. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.